Oh, cool, Manny. Whoa. You making bubbles? Woo! So thanks, Pops. Trey's gonna try it.
Wait.
Is it out of bubble? Woo! Watch out, man.
When Maddie touches it. Stop, stop, stop.
Cool. What do you think of that, Manny girl? Want to stand up and walk to me? Walk over to the police car. Go get him! Oh! Go, Manny, go!
Hey, well, hold on a second.
Come to Mom. Hey, come here. Yay!